What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Purge solenoid valve on this 2001 BMW 325 Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description, head over to 1AAuto.com. I'm going to remove this piece. I just want to take some side cutters, remove these push pins. Be careful not to cut them. Pull that out. Now we'll just grab this, pull this aside. There is a couple of clips on there. If it's not coming out too easy, just take a straight blade screwdriver and push those in. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor and just push down. Wiggle the connector off, set that aside. Take a straight blade screwdriver, loosen up this worm clamp. Right there. Just like that. We can take that snorkel off right now. Next, I'm going to take these two 10mm bolts out. You could take this top cover up first if you want to unclip it, pull that off, pull the air filter out, but I'm going to keep that all together. Use a 10mm socket extension and an electric ratchet. If you don't have an electric ratchet, use a regular ratchet. Loosen these up. Take those two bolts out. And I can grab the air box all as one and just slide it out. Disconnect the connector right here. This is on the Purge solenoid. You just push that little tab down right there. You can remove the Purge solenoid, just grab it, slide it out. If you need to, you could use a pocket screwdriver to loosen this up, or just pull it. Now we want to disconnect this hose right here. Push down on this retainer, twist it out a little bit. Pushing down like that, it's going to loosen up the hose. And then on the back side, you can just twist it or use a right angle pick. Loosen that up. Trying not to rip the hose. Just grab it, and try to twist and pull. Just like that. All right, take the valve. We're gonna slide this underneath here. There is a vacuum line that you need to attach that to. That goes to the intake. So slide that in position there first. And then this is the mounting. This is a rubber mounting grommet that you're just gonna slide it onto the bracket. Kind of hard to see. Wiggle that back and forth. This is gonna attach to the bottom of the valve. If it makes it easier, you could probably attach this before you slide it into the bracket. And lock it in place. That's good. Take the connector. This is the connector for that. And lock that in place. You can reinstall the airbox. Back in position. Move this clamp over here. Install these two bolts. Here and here. Take a 10mm socket, extension, and ratchet. Tighten these bolts up. Just snug. That's good. Use a straight blade screwdriver, tighten up this worm clamp, snug, and plug this connector in to the mass airflow sensor, lock it in place. Take this intake, put this back through the airbox, clip it in place, take the push pins, these lined up. I'm just going to get them all started first and then lock them down. Lock it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.